Well, hello again everybody. Today we have this little monster, or big monster. Had to raise the camera up just to get it all into shot. It's the Kasp 190-70X. Just a few measurements for you. We are 70mm wide, 105mm tall, 34mm that way. Weighs an absolute ton. I've had this a few months now. Finally managed to get it picked today, so I shall give it a go on camera. One of the things that makes this a bit more difficult, I think, is the fact that the lock is so recessed. We have this thick plate, then there's another plate below that. Before you actually get to the lock, it adds getting on nearly 5mm to where you're actually working from out the front here. Give me a minute, or maybe two, because I'm going to have to rework how I actually film the picking. I'll get it in the vise and have a go, just to show you it's all in working order, all comes apart. So, back in a minute. Right, here we go. I forgot to show you the bitting on the key. There we go, it's actually quite awkward. We've got 6 here, 5, 3 and 4 in the middle, both high. 2 and 1 is very high right at the front. So, still working. All locked up. Let's just zoom in a little bit on there. See if we can get it to focus. There we go. Right, when I have tried this before, I think we have a few spools in here at least. So there's 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3. Good click out of 3, and we've got a fraction of a full set. 4. That was 4. We got a bit of counter rotation, a click, and lost the full set. Just check 3 seems alright. That was a click out of 6. And that's all we're getting at the moment. I have found with this, when I have been trying, that was 1 again, nice big click. Is as you're going through, it does seem to love dropping pins. There's a click on 2. 3, 4. We'll click on 4 that time. Right, 6 doesn't want to go anywhere. 5, nothing. 4. Let's start at the front again. Nothing on 1. 2 counter rotation. And we got a click. Try 1 again. No. 3 seems like it's set 4. That was better one. We got a decent click out of one, kept the full set this time. Right to the back, let's try 6. And 6 is the really awkward one to get to. You can actually see how deep the pick is because of this extra depth on the front. Right, 1 seam set, 2, 3, 4. There we go, we've got another click out of 4. 5 is solid. Six, we've got counter rotation. Come on. But it just does not want to go anywhere. Absolutely no tension on there at all now. There we go. It was number 6 holding us up all along. So let's just zoom out. There we go. Whew. Let's get rid of that. Move this round and get the pinning board in. I say, but just because of that extra depth on the front can make it extremely awkward. Just getting those rear pins set. That's everything falling out. You can see in there. Right, I have pulled this apart before, but not gutted the core, so let's see what we have in here. So, that one looks about the right size, pins at the top. There we go. So 1 is standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, 5 standard, 6 standard. And let's see what we've got up inside here. Right, 1 is a spool, standard, or standard commercial spool. 2 the same. 3 is serrated. All those springs look the same. Steel springs. No drill protection in the core, doesn't really need it with the massive steel plate over the front of it. There's number 6, another spool, 5 another spool, 4 another spool, and that is it. That all looks fairly standard. Can't see anything in there that isn't normal. So let's see if we can give you a close-up of these pins. Is that focused? Yeah. So yeah, we've got spool, spool, serrated, spool, spool, spool. All bottom pins standard springs. So thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.